What's up, guys? AB Trades here. It's been a long time since I've done anything for YouTube. I completely just disappeared from YouTube. I do this. Number one on my checklist this year is to grow my YouTube channel. At least I want to say about 30, 40K subscribers by the end of the year. I think it's super doable. We are in quarter two of the year, so we still have remaining of quarter two, quarter three, and then quarter four, especially going ham every single day. It is super touchable. So I wanted to do a little breakdown video on GJ. It's my favorite pair. It's the one that I've been trading for the past 2 years. Haven't traded anything else. Don't waste my time on it. Not that I don't waste my time on it, but I have already built a relationship with this pair. So I do want to keep trading this pair, until who knows when. You know what I mean? So I am going to stick to it. That's how you build that relationship. That's how you get to understand the patterns that it does. When does the volume come in? How does it move? The average, more or less, a day that it does move. You know what I'm saying? You start understanding certain things that you could only understand by trading the same pair for a good amount of time, right? So let's get to it. Let's get it started. So I wanted to start on the weekly time frame because GJ last week had a super bullish week, right? So then we see somewhat of rejections beginning of this week. So it has to be for a reason. So looking at GJ on a weekly time frame, we have a major resistance area coming in at that around that 172 100s area, 172 flat to 100 area, right? Now this is all I care about on this weekly time frame. Okay, let's go down to the daily, right? So looking at it on the daily, we do have a support area around this area, right? Literally right here, right? So that's our support. Let me change the colors on these. Hold on. Let's make it, I don't know, green. Let's go for green, right? So that's our support. This our resistance. We got this resistance from the weekly. You could have also gotten it from the daily. Doesn't matter. I just decided to see it on the weekly because it's just, I don't know, just decided to do it that way. Have my support right here around that 165 800s area. Now let's break it down into the 4-hour time frame. So I like to start from high time frames and work my way down. We do have a resistance coming in here. So as you guys see, price rejected twice majorly here, and then it did the break of that zone, and we have now retested it ever since, right? So now looking at GJ, that explains why we are downtrending right now, right? Because when you have a giant move like this, you need to have a retracement, man. There's no way around this. So we broke this zone right here. We retested this support twice, finally broke above it, and now we're working our way down to come and retest it and then continue, right? So let's get to that. Let's delete that. Now let's work my way down to the 1-hour time frame, right? So looking at this 1-hour time frame, we have created a double top formation right here. So as of right now, this area is very important, right? That's that 170 200s area, right? So that's right now our resistance in this hourly time frame, right? Now we have another support area on this hourly time frame that comes in here. You guys see it from the left. Let me change the colors to this. Let's make it, I don't know, let's call it blue. Oops, there we go. Let's change it to blue, this to blue as well, right? So we could expect price to come down to this support, react some type of way here, and then continue or keep breaking towards this next support area of right here, right? So guys, this is all you really need to understand, man. Don't complicate your trading. Sorry, did not mean to click that. Don't complicate your trading, man. You know what I'm saying? What trend are you guys in on the higher time frame, such as the daily? Clearly you are on an upwards trend, right? You guys see it, it's pretty clear. Literally uptrending, literally just straight uptrending, right? So now if we was to break that resistance right there, where are we going to next, right? So looking at it on this daily time frame, let's go left. Let's keep looking left. Okay, that area is around, what did I say? That 172 area is around here, somewhere here. That's where that resistance is looking right. Now, if we break that, this is our next major area of resistance, right? So we're going to put this at purple. Let's call it purple right there, right? So now let's go back to where we are on the chart. Simple, guys. Do not complicate your trading, man. So this is what's going to happen, right? So now you understand you're uptrending, right? So you guys want to catch buys mainly instead of sells. Yes, I'm a day trader, so I could catch sells even though I'm still on an upward trend due to the fact that I'm not a swing trader. So swing traders look at higher time frames and they hold trades for days, weeks. I don't do that. I come in the market for an hour, hour and a half, and I'm gone, right? So yes, overall, even though we are bullish, right? Overall on the higher time frame, I could come during London, and if I see price break under this support, I could take sells towards this net support area. Bro, all I aim for a day is 40 to 50 pips every single day, right? So calling it here, bro, that's a nice 80 pips right here. Nice little 80 pips right there. That's more than enough for a session for me. You know what I'm trying to say? So yes, you could capitalize on both sides of the spectrum. No, I do not use indicators. No, I do not use any of that crap. Yes, I do use them as confluences, but that just basically means, for example, if I'm going to throw a Fibonacci on this, it's just telling me I already know my analysis, what I'm doing, right? So the Fibonacci just give me that pat on the shoulder like, yes, I agree with you as well. But I'm not going to depend on it and just strictly just put it on and I'm just going to trade based off that. No, you guys got to start using indicators such as EMAs, any indicator you could think of, RSI, whatever other indicators there are out there, just as confluences. They are not meant to do the trading for you, because trust me, if they did, they will not be public. Somebody would have grabbed that indicator, kept it to themselves, gotten super rich, and fuck everybody else. Excuse my language, right? So you guys got to understand, indicators are not going to do the trading for you. They're just meant to be there, because trading is very lonely, and for the most part, people do it by themselves in an office, right? So you having an indicator is like you having that second person sitting next to you telling you, yes, I agree with your analysis, giving you that pat on the shoulder, right? So looking at GJ, right? What am I expecting for it tonight? I really want to see how price is going to react around this zone, right? So if I see rejections of this support right here, then I will gladly take my buys, first targeting here, and then once that's broken, then I'll target this next area. That's another mistake I see people do. They try to catch this whole entire freaking 200 plus pip move. Bro, no. Price will always react at certain zones. So the fact that this is a resistance right now, once price reaches here, it will have some type of reaction. He's either going to retrace again and then continue, or it will reject and then do the drop to here. That a lot could happen at this area, right? Just because it's just an area of importance, just like any other of these areas, right? So you guys want to start taking trades to an area of importance. Stop just taking trades and not knowing when to get out. You guys got to understand when can you get out of the market and have a plan. Like I said, I aim for 40 to 50 pips every day. I don't care if this thing's going to fly 200 pips. I catch my 50. I'm happy. I come back tomorrow, do it again. It's about that consistency. I don't care about having one 10K day and then I lose 5K every single other day for the remaining of the week. I'm going to be negative at the end of the week, even though I had that 10K day. Does not matter. You know what I'm trying to say? I want to be able to catch my, even if it's 3K, I don't care, every single day, because now I'm compounding. At the end of the week, then I could do a withdrawal of profits, right? So you guys got to start knowing when to get out the market and having a plan of when are you going to get in, when are you going to get out, how much are you going to grab, and this and the third. And another thing is, stop thinking about all this percentage crap, man. Look, I'll be honest with you, man. Unless you have a 6-figure account, that whole saying of only risk 1 or 2% of your account is invalid, bro. If you have average person, let's say, out of their own capital, let's say $1,000 account, right? Bro, what is 1% of $1,000? $10? So you're telling me with $1,000, you're going to risk $10 to make what? 20, 30 bucks? Bro, you're wasting your damn time, bro. You know what I'm saying? Percentages only matter if you're talking about 100K plus. Why? Because 1 or 2% of 100K, you're risking $1,000 to $2,000 to make $4,000 to $6,000. Makes sense? So when you have $1,000 account, bro, like I'll be honest, if I have $1,000 in an account, I'm comfortable with risking 50 bucks. Yes, percentage wise, oh my God, that's like 5%. No, that's a lot. No, bro, it doesn't matter. If I lose 50 bucks, I still have $950 left. I'm not gonna go broke. I'm risking that 50 though to making a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk to reward $100 or $150, right? So that's how you guys compound your accounts and grow. Stop listening to all that 1, 2%. That only works if you guys have a good amount of capital in your account. Then yes, in that sense, yes, you have 100K, 200K. Great. There, for all means, 1 to 2% only, right? But bro, if you have $1,000, 500 bucks, or even $2,000, bro, 1% is nothing. You're literally just sitting here to make what you're gonna spend at McDonald's in one meal. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's pointless. Like, risk something that makes sense. If you have 500 bucks, I'm cool with risking $40 out of it at least. Even though percentage wise might look high, but guess what? If I lose $40 out of 500, I still have 460 left. It will take, bro, it will take over 10 trades for me to blow that $500, risking that $40. You know what I'm saying? So that whole percentage psychology is only valid if you guys have big capital. And that also applies to funding people that are funded through funded accounts. Yes, you probably have 100K, 200K, whatever. Yes, yes, I understand. But if you have your own capital, you have $1,000, bro, don't be sitting here risking no 1-2%, bro. You're gonna sit here your whole life to make $100, bro. No, bro, it's pointless, bro. The point of us trading is to make money, right? So yes, looking at GG again. My fault, I got distracted. I get carried away. Yes, so I am overall bullish, but I do want to see how price is going to react at any of these support areas, because price could literally come even down here and then do the push to the upside, or again could retrace from here and then, you know what I mean, do the push to the upside again. And this right here will be the target zone for any buys in this area. This is it. Because again, you guys saw on the weekly time frame, we have rejected this area twice. So you don't want to stay in this trade hoping that it's going to break above and finally push here. No, man. Take your profits here. Take your profits here if you're taking the trade from down here. You know what I'm saying? Learn to take your profits, bro. That's how you're going to be able to compound your accounts instead of keep blowing it and being in profit thousands of dollars and then boom, stop loss gets hit. No, man. Learn to take your profit. Learn when to get out of the market, right? So this is my analysis for GJ. This is what I'm kind of expecting. I really want to see how price is going to react to these zones right here. If we break below here, then I will gladly take my sells to this support area. If we reject from any of these zones, let's say during Asian we push through here, I trade London. So I'm not going to look at this during Asian. I'm not going to look at this pre-London. No, I'm going to wait till 3 a.m. It's currently 5:20 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm going to wait till 3 a.m. in the morning, which is a whole other 7 + 3, a whole other 10 hours from now, but it's okay. There's no problem. We'll do this every single day. I'm going to wait till my session and then I'm going to trade, right? So you guys got to start trading during your session and knowing when to get out of the market, right? So just a quick little breakdown just to kind of break the ice back into the YouTube mojo. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. If you did, drop a like, drop a comment, anything just to let me know that you guys enjoy this video and would like to see more. If you guys do, I will gladly do these every single day, because how long is this video? 5-10 minutes max, you know what I'm saying? So I do not mind doing this every single day and helping you guys out literally for free. Literally tell you guys exactly what I think. We could do even different pairs. Like, I don't mind doing analysis on different pairs because the way I trade is very raw. As you guys see, it's just straight market structure and price action. So I could literally grab the same way I trade and put it on indices. Any other forex pair, stocks, does not matter. It applies to all of them. So yeah, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.